Hey guys, welcome back from another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about fixing your hunting blind. So with the hunting blind, poles can break, especially getting closer to like November, even October if you're out there. What happens, snow forms on top of here and it becomes too much pressure and you end up breaking some poles around your blind. So today we're going to be talking about replacing your poles. So this is a pole. You can tell the end is it's padded, so it's got a nice little rubber piece on it. And up top, most all poles look like this. This is a different brand pole than the one that's in it. That's fine. Actually, I think that pole too is a little bit longer, but it worked for me. Not too much issues. I think I had 6 broken poles on mine, and what I ended up doing was taking all the bottom ones. I replaced them with a little bit longer poles. I believe they're a little bit longer, or a little bit shorter, but I am 100% sure they're a little bit longer on mine. And the top are the original poles. So if I had some broken on the bottom, some broken up top here, when I say up top I mean this part, or the bottom pole, what I did is I took all the broken poles from the top, took those out. If I had any good poles on the bottom, I moved them up top, and then I used new poles on the bottom because they were a little bit longer, so that would make it a little bit more balanced. So that's pretty much it. You can also get replacement screens, depends on your make and model. And I have a spare screen I picked up, and I can put in there if you know, you shoot through it, or it just gets so tattered that you want to throw a new one on. So this is my blind. Quick little walk around. It's not too bad, but I'm going to show you how to replace these poles. So just give me a quick second, and we'll jump to her. So some of the tools you're going to need is it's a 10 mil socket. You can use a screwdriver type variant, or you can use an actual socket driver. So and then I also have a silver pen. You can mark the pole any way you want. I've tried replacing the poles standing up like this. It just doesn't work. So you're gonna have to collapse it, and that's how we're gonna replace it. So I'm gonna go in right now and just mark a random pole, probably on the bottom, and then we're gonna show you how to take it down and start replacing it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Pole was anyway. See right here, I marked it with my silver pen just to indicate, hey, that's a broken one. This is how you're going to replace them. I found this is the easiest way for me to do it, and this will probably hopefully help you guys out if you ever break a pole. So once you got it collapsed, You're going to take your, like I said, your 10 mil socket, unscrew this part, make sure you don't lose them, any parts, pull that off. So you're going to want to keep this fairly straight, so you can, all you have to do now is just slide your pull out, just like that. Make sure your new pull is in fact the same size, which it is. Throw the new pull back right in here. So the only thing you're going to have to make sure is that it gets seated right where the old pull was. If you're doing multiple pulls, just like I said, the easiest way is to mark them out and do one at a time. And just do one at a time, and don't be afraid to do it. It's an easy process. It's not hard, but this is definitely the easiest way to do it. That's so crazy. There we go. And that's all there is to it, guys. The pull is now changed out, and I'm just gonna pop it back up to show it's good to go. But it's that easy. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's super easy. And now we'll just stand it up. So I always find the top first and pull that up. Pull it out. There we go. That's all there is to it, guys. So I'll just spin it around. The pole I replaced was this one, I believe, right by the door. I just went in and marked it, and as you can see, it stands up just beautifully, and it literally took like 2 seconds. So it doesn't take a whole lot, guys, to do this. I know sometimes a lot of poles break. Like I said, mine, I think I broke 6 poles, so I replaced 8. That's all it is. It's very easy. Hey guys, you just saw me replace it. So it takes 2 seconds to do one pull. It's the same for any other pulls. If you break multiple pulls, it's not that bad. You just take the 2 seconds per pull, and it should be done. It's fairly simple. Yeah, you can, I don't know, different models are a little bit different. Don't forget, you can get these poles, I think Amazon, eBay, or go to the manufacturer's website. They usually have replacement poles for the model you have. So take a look there. These things are pretty easy, and you could probably, a lot of brands, they also have replacement screens as well. So just have a look on the manufacturer's website, and they'll probably sell it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, and don't forget that hit that bell for any notifications on some of my new videos coming out. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you like this video, and or any other possible videos you'd like to see in the future. Hey, hit me up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys. And I know it's close to the holidays, so Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all you out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll have some new videos coming in the new year. Thanks, guys.